What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Tuned Engines. First up, before we start the video, I want to tell everyone Merry Christmas. Hopefully you'll have a wonderful day today and enjoy it with family and get lots of presents. Guys, another thing is, don't forget to get your merch link down below. We're selling sweaters, we're selling t-shirts, we're selling stickers and decals. So yeah, make sure to go check them out. And also, if you want to order something, you can go ahead and message me on my Instagram down below, and the link will be in the description. So let's start the video. But anyway, so let's talk about this. Alright guys, so if you saw from the last video, we were not able to install this engine, and it's because we ran into problems when it came to putting our basically gearing on. So what I went ahead and did, I went ahead and ordered a transmission for this little DUNE buggy. And I also went to Tractor Supply and we went ahead and got a sprocket. If you're wondering, this is a 16 teeth, and also the hub so we can connect it. But before we can connect the engine, we have to first make a stand and a platform for the engine to be able to bolt onto. So that's what we're going to start first. We're going to go ahead and weld everything together and cut metal and weld metal so we can go ahead and make a cool platform to put this engine on. So yeah, let's go ahead and start doing that really quick. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is have this piece of tube right here. So we're going to do, my plan is to go ahead and cut it to length and weld it inside here. Because I'm noticing if I put it right there, that's extra support, and like it won't hit the brake disc as well. Another thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run like a angle, a 90-degree from here to here, just to give it more support. And then we're gonna go ahead and put our plate right like around here. Alright guys, I actually went ahead and changed the placement since I realized I was going to be too tall here. So what I did is I just like cut it down a little bit more, and I went ahead and put it with the actual frame level. So now we're going to go ahead and weld it, put a few tacks, then go ahead and run a right angle that way. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and measure this, and it's going to be 9 and 9/16. Now we can go ahead and put the plate, and it's going to go all the way to the front, like that. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and test fit the engine, make sure it fits in there. So, I think it should. Oh, cool. Alright, so yeah, we got it fit in there. And that's why we're going to put the starter ignition as well, because like you can see that took a little bit annoying trying to... It'll be a little bit annoying trying to start this engine. We basically ran into our first problem, and I thought this chain was gonna work, but it's not long enough. So I think I might have to go ahead and do is go to Tractor Supply again and get a longer chain. Yeah, I thought it was gonna fit, but I guess not. Oh well. So we can just go get one. Alright guys, so we're here at the chain section. I think the one we're gonna need is gonna be this one right here. So it's $35 for 10 feet. Oh, alright, let's go. So we went ahead and took off the old chain. We just cut it off with the grinder because we couldn't take it off with the way it was. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna measure like how much we need. Alright guys, and we're basically gonna go ahead and take it off like right here. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and put this plate on and actually weld it on now. I had to modify the little bracket a little bit just so the chain were clear, but we're good now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start welding this. We can mount the engine now, and it's gonna go like this. All right, let me put some few tacks really quick, then I'll come back. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and weld the sprocket on. I'm gonna put some tack welds really quick, just and I'm welding on the level surface so it doesn't move. So let me go ahead and do that really quick. Go ahead and put the gearing on. As you can see, now we have to go ahead and weld this up here, the little hole up there. Okay, so now we can put the engine in and start making the holes to hold the engine down in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it here where it's supposed to go, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it and mark the holes so we can make them really quick. And we can also make sure that like our chain's gonna be long enough. We have to remember we're gonna keep a gearbox here, so that we can go ahead and put these. Oh, right there's a perfect spot actually. Let me just make sure that the engine is perfectly straight. So now we can get our Sharpie and start marking all the holes where we're gonna have to make holes at. We're gonna start the Dune Buggy with 30% with the new engine. Why is it going backwards? Okay, so I just saw like the last clip, we got the engine turned on, but we ran into an issue. And the issue was that like I did not realize that the engine was counter rotating. So basically like right now, like if I turn it on, it's gonna be driving the wheels backwards, which is not what we want. So what we're gonna have to do, guys, is we like after I was done filming that section of the video yesterday, I went ahead and see if I could like flip the engine, and I can't. The reason is that like if I can flip the engine and put it the other direction, but then this sprocket is misaligned with this one, so that makes us more harder for us. So what we're gonna have to do is basically we're gonna see if we can make our own sprocket like exactly like this one, the exact same, and weld it right here, and then put the engine flip the other way. And then like we're basically gonna have to delete this one right here. So that's the problems right now. I was hoping we could drive it this time, but at least we got everything in place for the sprocket. Next episode, all we're gonna do is just flip the engine 180 in the same spot because it's perfect the way it is. Then we'll just have to make this from scratch and put it on there. Also, the transmission we order is coming in next week. That's another issue because then like we will have to use reverse as drive, and I don't want to do that because I'm pretty sure reverse is geared differently than drive in the transmission. So yeah, so what we're gonna have to do is we're basically gonna have to cut this off right here and put it over here and make one that cut this right here and make another one exactly fit right here. It just has to move over like right here a little bit more, like 2 or 3 more inches. But yeah, guys, sorry, it's because I did not like think of this. I just thought it was gonna be like an easy install, like plug and play basically. But yeah, so we're gonna have to do this from scratch, and then after it should drive, and we'll have all the components we need for this Dune Buggy to be ready. We're gonna have a starter, ignition with by key, the transmission. Then we can go ahead and wire this up all the way, then put new lights and paint it as well. But yeah, guys, so hopefully y'all enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And also don't forget that we're still gonna keep on continuing this series. It's just that there was a little problem, like I didn't think about this. I didn't think it was be this complicated, but I guess I should have, because it's basically like a custom Dune Buggy now. So yeah, but everything is perfect besides this. But yeah, we're gonna fix it on the next episode, y'all see. But yeah, guys, so I'll see you all next time. And also, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And also, Merry Christmas.